you first, because I understand you're the soccer mom. All right, so here we go. We'll see if you have a slight edge here. So tell me, to the 10th of a mile, that's what we're looking for, to the 10th of a mile, how many miles did Earthquakes midfielder Arturo Alvarez run in the Earthquakes game against Chivas USA? To the 10th of a mile now.
Say 12.
12. All right, and Rebecca.
That's too much.
10.
It's 6.
Well, the answer, as everybody knows, is 5.8. So since you were closest, Rebecca gets the burritos for 2, courtesy of Chipotle. Congratulations. All right.